Matt. You can hear the enthusiasm in the pilots' voices as they get ready to roll down the runway here at the Farnborough International Air Display of 2010.
Let's rolling now.
Gentlemen, the Reds are airborne. The rear section positioning behind the front section, which is being formed up of Reds 1 to 3 with 4 and 5 driving in on the wing. So shortly form Diamond 9 as they start a left-hand turn to position for the beginning of the show. So, ladies and gentlemen, as they run in for the show, the very patriotic red, white and blue smoke comes on as I introduce you to the 2010 Red Arrows. So, ladies and gentlemen, the team there led at the front by Red 1 Squadron Leader Ben Murphy, known to us as Baz. Baz is a former Harrier GR7 pilot, having served on 1 Squadron and 4 Squadron, both of whom at the time were at RAF Wittering, and he's also instructed on the OCU, formerly 20 Reserve Squadron, but now 4 Reserve Squadron. Baz, therefore, as a Harrier pilot, has seen several operational tours in Afghanistan, where the job and cry. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is 9-arrow formation as the pilots roll out, just departing away to the right-hand side. Watch now as the smoke comes off and Reds 8 and 9 roll back to full Fred formation. So on the smoke off go, they positioning. Kermit then is also a very operationally experienced pilot, and we're working particularly hard here as you watch the cranked arrow roll. Kermit is very inside, the lowest man has been at Kermit, using lots of rudder here, right back to the power as they fly this very difficult formation power. Kermit clearly is demonstrating his skills as a formation pilot and a fast jet pilot, but I could also let you into a secret. Kermit, she used to hang around the squadron on her summer holidays and watch the pilots. When she did, she became Tornado GR4 pilot, serving on 13th Squadron at RAF Monumemtal. She's seen operational service in Afghanistan. Now the pilots have formed tango formation. Now this is a difficult formation to fly. These 2 straight lines are particularly unforgiving, which is why the pilots to the left and right of the leader are working particularly hard. They provide a stable platform for the aircraft to their outside. Now the Red Arrows has a very big PR role within the Royal Air Force. That means we've got a very busy PR team. Now they're here today, you may have seen them around the site in their blue flying suits. Please say hello to them if you do see them. And they're led by our PR manager, Emma Thomas. She's affectionately known in the team as Trigger. So today we're dedicating the tango formation to Trigger. So, ladies and gentlemen, as the pilots start the Apollo Twister, you can see the red, white and blue smoke is on. We are a very proud British and patriotic team. And our character comes through in the smoke colours of this manoeuvre. Now, the man at the bottom of this formation, the red smoke out on the right wingtip, is Red 4, Flight Lieutenant Dave Davis. Dave is known to the team as Horse, and he's our Welsh representative. He grew up in Colwyn Bay, North Wales, went to the UMIST where he got a degree in mechanical engineering, and he joined the Royal Air Force and went on to be a Tornado F3 pilot. That's the aircraft that provides, alongside the Typhoon, out at the far left wingtip. That's Red 5, Flight Lieutenant Zane Sennett, a very charming man, Zane, and another former Harrier pilot on the team. Zane's got a number of friends here in the audience today, so I'm going to say a big hello to them as we watch the Blackbird fly past. So Zane says a particular warm welcome to Ben, Annie, Jack, Sam, Matt, Lindsay, Cheryl, Andy and Annabelle. Hello to you all. from Zane. Now Zane, as I mentioned, is a Harrier pilot. He served on 1 squadron and he's seen 4 operational tours. He's also relatively local. He went to school in Cranley, near Guildford, and he has a degree in geography from the University of Birmingham. It's his 2nd year on the team this year.
Turn accelerating to 240 miles an hour before pulling up, rolling left, position for its first flyby. We're going to see things called velocity vector rolls, velocity vector roll, followed by a 360-degree turn in front of us, another velocity vector roll. Debut as a display pilot on their Farnborough. Loading. First flight of an hour down the runway and then accelerating with our awesome bar. In a couple of seconds at this end of the runway, the right hand end, 170 miles an hour, 250 miles an hour in just a couple of seconds on the afterburner.